the autofill feature. Select A2 and enter in the year and the month and the date as it's shown in the example. Select the cell, click on the little black square there. You see a small black square, click and hold on it, left click, and drag to the right. And you'll notice it automatically populates the next dates, the second, the third, the fourth. Go to A3 and enter in the month, Jan and 2012. Microsoft will identify these as a date and know that the sequence should be February, March, etc. Click on it and drag to M13, and you'll notice that when it gets to January the following year, it actually changes the year. Select A4, enter A1, and then at B4, enter A2, and if you highlight them both, Microsoft calculates the sequence between the two, which in this case is 1. So when you drag it, it would actually change to 3, 4, 5, etc. This would be a great feature and helps you a lot in Excel.